Hi, this is John Burek with PC Mag. I'm here at Gigabyte's suite at CES 2025. Gigabyte is revising their entire laptop line at the show here with a variety of 16-inch and 18-inch lines. Let's take a look. So this is the flagship model of what we have here. It's the Aorus Master 18. So what Gigabyte is doing is taking its family names from its motherboards, Master, and bringing it to its laptops. So what we have here is a 18-inch machine. There's also a 16-inch version of the Master. It's using the latest GeForce RTX 50 series laptop GPUs up to the 5090, and it's based on Intel's Aero Lake HX processors. That's their new top-end mobile GPUs. This is an 18-inch machine which has a mini LED screen at 240 Hz and HDR 1000. So here we have the Aorus Master 16, smaller version of the Master 18 that we just looked at there. Mostly the same stuff. The biggest sort of difference here is that this one relies on OLED. We have a 240 Hz OLED panel on this one with HDR True Black 500 support. But otherwise, things are mostly the same, supporting RTX 50 series laptop GPUs up to the 5090 and Intel Aero Lake HX processors. One thing to point out, Thunderbolt 5 support on these machines. So here we have the Aorus Elite 16, once again named after one of the motherboard families that Gigabyte and its Aorus brand are known for. This is a slightly dialed down version of the Master. It also is a 50 series laptop GPU going up to the 5090 and the Intel HX Aero Lake. This is also an OLED 240 Hz LCD with True Black 500 HDR and Thunderbolt 5 support. Now here we have the Aero X16. So Aero is actually a familiar brand from Gigabyte in terms of laptops. That's not actually derived from the motherboards as the other two were. But the X16 is a new model. They're going to be using the RTX 50 series laptop GPUs up to the 5070 and also powered by a choice of Intel HX Aero Lake or AMD Ryzen CPUs. The Ryzen ones are Copilot Plus compliant. As for the one here, this is a 16-incher. This particular model uses something that Gigabyte is calling the Golden C keyboard design, letter C. It's very tactile. You can feel a bit of kick on the keys when you type on it. It's got a very pleasant feel for a laptop keyboard. So the Aero X16 is just under 17 millimeters thick, and it weighs 1.9 kilos. So for a machine with pretty good specs, this is not much of a burden to carry. It's a very good-looking machine, the X16 Aero, and we'll be looking forward to testing in PC Labs, along with the Master and the Elite models. This has been Gigabyte's new line of laptops, and we're looking forward to seeing them.